Today we are working on putting the axles back on the camper. We had to get new
We had to do a new spring seat perch.
yeah, that.
Today we're putting new spring seat perches on the axles because we had to put the axle under the spring, and we can't flip the axle over because it's a drop spindle and it'll make it all wrong. So we had to weld these on top of the axle so that they hold the axle straight, and then the U-bolts go on. So that's what's happening right now.
So this is what the new bracket looks like when it's installed. Sitting nice. We banged on it to make sure it wouldn't come loose.
Some of these U-bolts at the end where they were cut are tapered and some are not.
Yeah.
So that's what's doing it.
So this is the way the camper should have been built. Now it's got 15-inch wheels on it. The axles are under the springs instead of over the springs. Plenty of clearance. Looks beefy.
What a great day.